हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप यू विल बी फाइन एंड हेल्दी एंड कीप्स रिवाइजिंग योर सेल्फ। फ्रेंड्स, सिलेक्शन पाने का बस एक ही मूल मंत्र है। ये 3 बातें हमेशा याद रखिए। पहला, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। आप अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखिए कि यदि मैं मेहनत से लगातार तैयारी करूंगा तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा, ये पक्का है। दूसरा, रिग्रेस रिवीजन लगातार करेंगे। नया नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो एक बार के लिए चल जाएगा, बट पहले रिवीजन करेंगे फिर नया पढ़ेंगे। तीसरा, कंटिन्यूअसली क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस। क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस लगातार करना है। क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस से याद हुई चीज़ें कभी भूलती नहीं हैं। यही कड़वा सच है, बाकी सब मोहमाया है दोस्तों। और हमारी वीडियोज़ में रिवीजन और क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस दोनों साथ हो जाती है। आई होप आवर वीडियोस आर ऑलवेज हेल्प्स एंड मेक्स इजियर योर प्रिपरेशन एंड रिड्यूस योर एफर्ट्स। सो इस सेशन को अटेम्प्ट कीजिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कि कितने क्वेश्चंस आपके सही हुए। और पीडीएफ पाने के लिए हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कीजिए, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। अगर हमारी वीडियो आपको 1% भी यूजफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मेटाबॉलिज्म मीन्स ए, डिवीजन ऑफ सेल्स, बी, एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सेल, सी, सम टोटल ऑफ ऑल केमिकल रिएक्शंस अकरिंग इन आवर बॉडी, डी, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोजेनी। Correct answer is option C, sum total of all chemical reactions occurring in our body. Next, the action that the environment does on an organism is called A, response, B, stimuli, C, reflex, D, reaction. Correct answer is option B, stimuli. Next, when the reactions that occur in the body are made to happen in laboratory conditions, they are said to be A, metabolic reactions, B, oxidation reactions, C, leaving reactions, D, reduction reactions. Correct answer is option C, living reactions. Next, reaction that takes place in laboratory rather than in a living body is called A, in situ, B, in vitro, C, instant, D, in-house. Correct answer is option B, in vitro. Next, reproduction in planaria takes place through A, budding, B, binary fission, C, asexual spores, D, fragmentation. Correct answer is option D, fragmentation. Next, which organism among the following reproduce? A, mules, B, worker bees, C, fertile human couple, D, infertile human couple. Correct answer is option C, fertile human couple. Next, the sum total of all chemical reactions occurring in our body known as A, anabolism, B, metabolism, C, amphibolism, D, catabolism. Correct answer is option B, metabolism. Next, living and non-living organisms can be differentiated unexceptionally on the basis of A, growth, B, consciousness, C, metabolism, D, reproduction. Correct answer is option D, reproduction. Next, statement A, natural things can be living or non-living. Statement B, living things can be natural. Options are A, both the statements are true, B, both the statements are false, C, statement A is true but B is false, D, statement B is true but A is false. Correct answer is option A, both the statements are true. Next, budding is observed in A, planaria, B, amoeba, C, yeast, D, protonema of mosses. Correct answer is option C, yeast. Next, what is the expansion of ICBN? A, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, B, International Code for Biological Naming, C, Indian Code for Biological Naming, D, International Council for Biodiversity and Nature. Correct answer is option A, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Next, which among the following is involved in the naming of the animals scientifically? A, ICBN, B, ICAN, C, ICPN, D, ICZN. Correct answer is option D, ICZN. Next, A, binomial nomenclature consists of A, generic name and phyla, B, class and phyla, C, generic name and specific epithet, D, phyla and kingdom. Correct answer is option C, generic name and specific epithet. Next, binomial nomenclature is given by A, Carolus Linnaeus, B, Charles Darwin, C, Henry Cavendish, D, James Chadwick. Correct answer is option A, Carolus Linnaeus. Next, the number of described species of the living organisms is A, 1.25 million species, B, 0.5 million species, C, 1.025 million species, D, 1.7 million species. Correct answer is option D, 1.7 million species. Next, a group of plants and animals with similar traits of any rank is A, taxon, B, species, C, genus, D, order. Correct answer is option A, taxon. Next, which is less general in characters as compared to genus? A, family, B. Division, C. Class, D. Species. Correct answer is option D. Species. Next, what is the correct sequence? A. Genus, species, order, kingdom. B. Species, order, phylum, kingdom. C. Species, genus, order, phylum. D. Kingdom, phylum, class, order. Correct answer is option D. Kingdom, phylum, class, order. Next, what is nomenclature? A. Genus name is written after a species. B. Genus and species names are written in italics. C. Genus and species have the same name. D. The first letter of genus and species name is capital. Correct answer is option B. Genus and species name are written in italics. Next, binomial nomenclature was given by A. Linnaeus, B. Hugo de Vries, C. John Ray, D. Huxley. Correct answer is option A. Linnaeus. Next, the biologically cohesive unit of taxa is A. Phylum, B. Order, C. Genus, D. Species. Correct answer is species. Next, the defining characteristic of living beings is A. They reproduce, B. They can digest their food, C. They respond to external stimuli, D. They regenerate. Correct answer is option C. They respond to external stimuli. Next, the process of grouping organisms based on similarities and evolutionary relationships is known as A. Classification, B. Nomenclature, C. Identification, D. Taxonomy. Correct answer is option D. Taxonomy. Next, which taxonomic category is more inclusive, kingdom or family? A. Kingdom, B. Family, C. Both are equally inclusive, D. It depends on the organism being classified. Correct answer is option A. Kingdom. Next, the grouping of organisms based on their evolutionary history is called A. Hierarchical classification, B. Artificial classification, C. Natural classification, D. Phylogenetic classification. Correct answer is option D. Phylogenetic classification. The author's name at the end of the scientific name represents A. That this species were first described by this author, B. That this species were first named by this author, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. That this species were first described by this author. Next, the level of similarity between organisms increases from A. Kingdom to species, B. Species to kingdom, C. Similarity remains the same, D. Both A and B. Correct answer is option A. Kingdom to species. Next, the study of relationships among different organisms is called A. Taxonomy, B. Biology, C. Systematics, D. Ornithology. Correct answer is option C. Systematics. Increase in body mass can be considered a criterion for growth in A. Living being, B. Non-living matter, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Next, choose an appropriate option to complete the given statement. In plants, growth takes place by fill in the blanks throughout their lifespan. A. Cell dedifferentiation, B. Cell differentiation, C. Cell multiplication, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Cell multiplication. Next, in most of the higher animals and plants, reproduction and growth are A. Synonymous events, B. Mutually exclusive events, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. Mutually exclusive events. Next, what kind of growth is exhibited by non-living organisms? A. Accumulation of material on surface, B. Accumulation of material inside, C. Growth from inside, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Accumulation of material on surface. Next, which of the following characteristics is not a defining character of living organisms? A. Growth, B. Growth and reproduction, C. Reproduction, D. Growth and metabolism. Correct answer is option B. Growth and reproduction. Next, higher level of organization emerges from interaction among organelles. A. True, B. False. Correct answer is option A. True. Next, standardizing the name of living organism is known as A. Classification, B. Identification, C. Nomenclature, D. Both A and C. Correct answer is option C. Nomenclature. Next, which one is the incorrectly written scientific name? A. Panthera tigris, B. Mangifera indica, C. Panthera leo, D. Columba livia. Correct answer is option D, Columba Libya. Next, the process by which anything is grouped into convenient categories based on some easily observable characters is A. Identification, B. Classification, C. Sorting, D. Grouping. Correct answer is option B, classification. Next, the scientific name of mango is written as Mangifera indica L. Which of the following statements is correct regarding this? A. Letter L signifies Latin language. B. The name should be written reverse with indica preceding Mangifera. C. Letter L signifies the author Linnaeus. D. Indica is the generic name. Correct answer is option C. Letter L signifies the author Linnaeus. Next, taxon refers to A. Group of related species. B. Group of related families. C. Type of living organism. D. Taxonomic group of any ranking. Correct answer is option D. Taxonomic group of any ranking. Next, a taxa is different from taxon because A. It is a higher taxonomic category than taxon. B. It is a lower taxonomic category than taxon. C. It is a plural of taxon. D. It is a singular of taxon. Correct answer is option C. It is a plural of taxon. Next, choose the incorrect match. A. Order, a group of related families. B. Genus, a group of related species. C. Class, a group of related orders. D. Division, a group of related phyla. The correct answer is option D. Division, a group of related phyla. Next, two different genera are classified in the same taxonomic category family. Which statement is correct about their classification? A. The same class but different species. B. A different class and a different order. C. The same phylum but different class. D. A different kingdom and different phylum. Correct answer is option A. The same class but different species. Next, arrange the following in ascending order of similar characteristics. First family, second genus, third class, fourth species. A. Class, family, genus, species. B. Family, class, genus, species. C. Species, order, family, class. D. Class, genus, species, family. Correct answer is option A. Class, family, genus, species. Next, which of the following suffixes used for units of classification in plants indicates a taxonomic category of family? A. Ales, B. Oini, C. AC, D. E. Correct answer is option C. AC. Next, which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular named taxonomic category? A. Tiger, tigris, the species. B. Cuttlefish, mollusca, a class. C. Humans, primata, the family. D. Housefly, musca, an order. Correct answer is option A. Tiger, tigris, the species. Next, systematics is the study of A. Diversity amongst groups. B. Grouping of organisms. C. Identification and grouping of organisms. D. Nomenclature and classification of organisms. Correct answer is option A. Diversity amongst groups. Next, taxonomy refers to A. Classification, B. Nomenclature, C. Identification, D. All of these. Correct answer is option A. Classification. Next, any type of taxonomic group of the organisms is called A. Taxon, B. Category, C. Key, D. All of these. Correct answer is option B. Category. Next, father of taxonomy is A. Linnaeus, B. Aristotle, C. John Ray, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Linnaeus. Next, Systema Naturae is a book written by A. Linnaeus, B. Chirac, C. John Ray, D. Condole. Correct answer is option A. Linnaeus. Next, the fungi, the filamentous algae, the protonema of mosses all easily multiply by A. Asexual spores, B. Fragmentation, C. Binary fission, D. None of these. Correct answer is option B. Fragmentation.